The topic of our video is how to read Quran. Quran is our holy book, and it's our responsibility to recite it daily, to understand its meaning, and to implement it in our daily lives. If you are thinking to make the Holy Quran a part of your life, you should have an idea about some basic information about it. There are 30 paras and 114 surah in Holy Quran. Out of 114 surah, 86 surahs are Makki and 28 surahs are Madni. Here are some tips and tricks to read the Quran effectively. 1. Before start reciting Holy Quran, just see the context page. You should have an idea what are you going to read. 2. In order to improve your recitation and tajweed, try to listen to the Quran recitation daily. Give at least 10 to 20 minutes to it daily. I would recommend Muhammad Sadiq al-Minshawi Quran recitation. 3. Read the translation of Holy Quran to understand what Allah is saying in His holy book. Sahih International Translation is the recommended book.